In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Google NotebookLM AI app. By the end, you'll have the app installed from the Google Play Store, signed in with your account, and ready to explore what it can do. First, grab your Android phone or tablet and open the Google Play Store. This is the official place to safely download apps on Android. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that you have a bit of free storage space so the download and installation go smoothly. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type Google NotebookLM. You should see the official app appear in the results. To be confident you're getting the right one, look for the listing published by Google and check that the icon and name match exactly. When you've found it, tap the Install button. The Play Store will begin downloading the files, then automatically install the app for you. You'll see a progress bar as it works. This can take a moment depending on your connection, so just wait patiently and keep the Play Store open until it finishes. When the install completes, you'll see an Open button. Tap Open to launch NotebookLM right away. If you prefer, you can also find the app icon in your app drawer or on your home screen later. As the app starts, you'll be prompted to sign in using your account. Choose the Google account you want to use or sign in with another if needed and complete the sign-in process. This links NotebookLM to your content and saves your settings across devices. Next, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You may see a brief welcome tour and some guidance on how NotebookLM works. The app might ask for permissions or show tips to help you get started. Read each screen, make your selections, and continue. The prompts are designed to be quick and helpful, so take a moment to review them. Once you're in, feel free to explore the app. Look around the interface, open the menus, and get familiar with where things are. You can experiment at your own pace and discover how NotebookLM can help summarize materials, organize ideas, and support research workflows. If you don't see the app in the Play Store, it may not be available in your region or on your device yet. In that case, check back later. If installation stalls, a quick restart of the Play Store or your device often clears it up. That's it. You've downloaded, installed, signed in, followed the prompts, and now you're ready to explore Google NotebookLM. Enjoy building your notes and insights.